denied benefits without explanation or still waiting for their claims to be processed. Almost 2 months after the layoffs began, out of work Floridians are saying that they're running out of money and running out of time. Channel 9 political reporter Christopher Heath found one local lawmaker who is not just trying to answer calls, but she's actually putting up her own money to help.
As the disaster that has been Florida's unemployment system enters its 7th week, 480,000 claims have been paid and 500,000 are waiting or denied.
I know I'm one of so many thousands of people who are in the same boat and really frustrated.
Paige Marinelli lost her job in March. She hasn't received state or federal benefits or answers from anyone at the Department of Economic Opportunity.
And it feels really hopeless and like no one cares. Basically. Well, people care, but not the people who should care.
The results have not been seen. In fact, the wait times remain long.
Orlando Representative Anna Eskamani has been using her staff to help field calls from workers all across the state, desperate for answers. She's also donating her salary, paying people's bills when the state won't.
I don't feel like it's appropriate for me to get a salary from the state when folks are not getting their money from the state. I don't think it makes sense to return my money to Florida because I don't know when it will get to people. So I have been using Venmo, Cash App, different tools to actually provide our constituents with some relief if I can.
But the $29,000 annual salary for a state lawmaker only goes so far, and people are running out of hope and running out of money.
It's still pending. And now at this point, it's been like 2 months without income.
For the people who've been unable to get help or the people who've already exhausted their full 12 weeks of benefits, the state of Florida says they should call 211. That's the United Way helpline. That's the number the state of Florida wants you to call when it can't help you or is done helping you. Reporting from Orlando, Christopher Heath, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.